What's up everyone, I'm Rahul Badesra and I welcome you to my channel where I give you tips and insights on fashion, grooming and self-improvement. A lot of people have been asking me questions about my beard and how I style it. So today, this video is about my beard and I'm going to share my secret about styling my beard and keeping it maintained. Before I get started, I would like to mention that it's important to form a beard care routine that helps your beard look good and well maintained. You can also check my video on how to grow and groom your beard. I'll put a link in the description below for you. Now comes the part to style the beard. The beard that I'm currently sporting is called the full beard. And this one is a ducktail version of it. I shredded it down from my lumberjack version, which was a bit heavier. I feel this beard is more suited on my face shape, which is a bit round. Now let's see what my beard care routine looks like. So I follow a 5-step routine to take care and style my beard. Step 1 is to wash and pat dry the beard. I recommend using a regular shampoo and conditioner with natural ingredients for washing your beard. Once washed, pat dry your beard and be careful not to be harsh with the towel as the beard hair is soft and tends to break very easily. Step 2. Massage the skin surface below with oil or serum. Serum is a non-sticky version of the oil. I've been using this one that is a custom-made product with natural ingredients like jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, wheat germ oil, grapeseed oil and natural tocopherol. And I've said this many a times before that beard oils are meant for your skin surface below and not for your beard. Why, you ask? Well, because when you start growing your beard, it takes away all the natural oils of the skin, leaving it dry and itchy. So it's important to nourish the skin underneath your beard. Step 3 is to straighten your beard. Now that your beard is washed and you've applied a serum to your beard, it's time to straighten the hair. Use the blow dryer at a fan speed level of 1 and heat level of 2. You can use a standard 1 to 1.5 inch dia round brush. Step 4. Apply a beard butter or a balm on your beard and mustache for the shine and nourishing the hair. This will help provide hold to your beard and make it less wavy and of course that added shine. Step 5. Style your mustache with a wax. And now you can rock this badass look all day long. And now that you've watched this video all the way to the end, it's time to reward you with a bonus tip. So here it is. Don't style your beard daily as the heat from the dryer is going to damage your beard hair. So I suggest doing it not more than 2 or 3 times in a week. Maybe you can keep it just for the date nights or the times that you're hanging out with your friends or you're going for an important work meeting. I know the beard game is a bit of an effort, but I think it's going to be worth it for you once you get on with it. It's really worth it for me and I've been just loving my beard journey. How's your beard journey going? Tell me in the comment section below. And if you want to see some funny moments from my beard journey, check out the link over here and I think it'll give you a little laugh. Well, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys very soon with some more fun content. And remember friends, life is more fun when you're at the top of your game.